and welcome to Ingrevo. We provide essential, affordable, and user-friendly digital tools for cosmetic manufacturers to simplify cosmetic formulation and manufacturing. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to manage your profile and billing information. To access your profile, log in to Ingrevo and navigate to the Profile tab. Here, you can update your first and last name as displayed in the software and change the password used to access. Please note that changing your Ingrevo password does not affect the password for the billing account. This security feature allows you to share access to the software without sharing access to billing information. After making your changes, click Save to finalize. To access your account and billing details, click on Manage or on our website, ingrevo.com, and click the My Account link in the footer. In the My Account section, you can update your personal details on the Account Details tab, and you can view and update billing information and manage subscriptions under the Subscription tab. To change your subscription, click Change Plan to be taken to the checkout. You can upgrade or downgrade your plan at any time. Additionally, you can also update your billing address, change your account password, delete your account, and log out. Please note that changes made in My Account will not transfer to the software. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to view and edit your profile, manage your account, and handle your subscriptions on Ingrevo. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact the support team via the Contact Us page or email us at hello@ingrevo.com. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on updates, and leave a like or a comment below if this video was useful.